Good morning, summer school students. I'm Mrs. McCauley. My day school is All Saints, where I teach senior English, so grade 11 and 12, mostly university level. This is my 7th year in a row teaching this English 3U online course. So I'm super excited for us to get started. I'm super excited to get to know all of you guys. So the first thing I want to let you know is, well, super shaky cam this morning. I'm a morning person, so I'm up usually 4:30 and at the gym, checking my emails from you guys 6 a.m., getting online, starting to mark the stuff you handed in, probably 1 o'clock in the morning the day before, at 6 a.m. my time. So the fact that I'm a super early morning person means I'm a granny when it comes to my sleeping schedule. So I stop checking emails after 7 o'clock at night because I'm in bed by 8 and I'm asleep by 9. So basically, what you need to know for that is that it's okay to move on. So if you send me an email and you don't get a response back until 5, 6 o'clock the next morning, please don't halt in your work. Try to keep moving forward. What this also means for you is you kind of got to be organized. You really can't leave it to the last minute to send me emails because you're not going to get a response till the next day, and that next day might be after the due date. Okay, so still good to send me the email, especially if you're going to miss a due date. Gotta let me know why. You gotta let me know what's going on. Okay, so on due dates, this is my second newsfeed post. I posted one even earlier this morning, and it has the list of every assignment for this course and when it is due. Please take the time to go through that because, as you will see, things like lesson 4, which is you doing a persuasive speech that you have to record and upload for me, that's not due till Sunday. But in the meantime, there are other assignments um, like lesson 5 that actually comes before it. Okay, and that also happens later on the course as well, that sometimes you work ahead so I can give you more time to practice something that's a video that I want you to really memorize and do your best on. So really look at when things are due. The next really important key is getting 1984 today. Audio version, doesn't matter to me. Uh, Online version, you can access the PDF through the 1984 unit in the course, or go pick up a hard copy if you're like me and you like a tangible book in your hand. But you got to get reading it today. Okay. Today's work is complete the orientation. You're going to read a really short nonfiction essay called Going for a Walk and answer some comprehension questions. And then you're going to have to look up a couple of poems online and find rhetorical devices. So the work for today is really short, but then you need to use the rest of your time to read 1984 and get that book read by Monday. So that's about 50 pages a day that you're committing to. So this course is no joke, guys. It's a lot of work. It's an entire semester in 3 weeks. You got to stick to the deadlines, not because you're going to be penalized if you miss them, but because you're going to be overwhelmed and it's going to become a snowball. And we don't want that to happen. I want you to stay on top of things. Some days, like today, you don't have a lot of actual writing work to do. Like it might take you an hour, 2 hours tops to complete the homework assignments, okay? Other days, you got to write an essay or film a seminar or a speech. That's a lot more of your time. So I've made the due date so that I know some things are quick because you need the rest of the time to be reading or practicing or looking ahead of the next task. So please honor that. Know Your Shakespeare for Othello is your friend. That is a totally acceptable resource. No issue with you reading the translation, but you read the full translation, not the SparkNote summaries. And that's the same for 1984. You will not be successful on your essay or the final exam if you only read the SparkNote summaries. Okay, you got to read the book, guys, or listen to it at least on an audio. And Othello, you got to read the whole thing. Translated, cool, but you've got to go through every act individually. And same with Gatsby when we get there. Okay, I want to have fun. I am here to answer your questions as promptly as I can. I will give you feedback. I will mark your work quickly. And I like to do a little thing called bonus marks. So over the next 3 weeks, I will provide between 3 and 5, I haven't decided yet, definitely at least 3, opportunities for you to earn bonus marks. You can apply those bonus marks to any of the assignments in the course, not your final mark, but any of the assignments in the course. Okay. So bonus marks are based on things that are in my videos. Maybe something I said, or maybe just something in the frame. So you won't know until I post the question. You can just email me your answer. You can hold on to your answers and email me them at the end and tell me what assignments you want them put to. You can just email me your answer and then later on tell me what assignment you want to put to, or you can put it in the comment box of the Dropbox when you put an assignment in and say, oh, I'm also answering the bonus question here. Okay, so keep your eyes peeled for an upcoming bonus question based on this video. Okay, good luck.